Mark and Winnie and I, say hi Winnie. Yeah, hi Winnie. At Theodolite Creek today, which is just down the road from where we're staying at Woodgate Beach. And it is a beautiful spot. You should definitely visit here. There's beautiful turquoise waters where the lake is. Is it a lake? No, it's a Theodolite Creek. It's a creek. Come and see the Theodolite Creek. Why? Because there's lovely still water if you want to do paddle boarding, or you've got kids and they want to swim in some nice calm waters. There's also fishing, crabbing, there's a boat ramp, and lots of lovely secluded spots where you can sit and enjoy the sun, or you can enjoy the shade. You can bring your puppies, but they have to be on a leash. And Winnie has had a great time, haven't you, Winnie? Do you like it here? Yeah? Yeah?
Winnie's living his best life.
He wants to get down and have a run. Oh, he's met a lovely friend as well. He's met a puppy friend who's only 2 days in age difference to him.
So you just got to do a bit of four-wheel driving through a bush track. You can have dogs on a lead here, it's pet friendly, and then you can see the sign here. So beyond that point for the next 1.5 k, you can have dogs off a lead. So this is the area where I came and did droning. So you saw how calm it was just over in that little bay area. Well, this is about 100 metres away through the car park. Totally different. It is really windy. I don't know if you can hear it coming through the mic, but this is such a beautiful area. We'd been to Woodgate Beach once before, but we never heard of Theodolite Creek, and it is just stunning. So if ever you're in the Woodgate area, make sure you put Theodolite Creek on your list of things to come and see and do. Great for water sports, bring your pet, picnic tables, toilets, boat ramp, whatever you need, you could easily come and spend a beautiful day here. This is like Winston's favourite time in the day. Oh my goodness, Winston. This is such a beautiful hidden gem on the northern side of Woodgate, about 10 minutes north of where we were staying at the caravan park. And Theodolite Creek is just amazing, such beautiful calm water. Kids can get out tubing. I I saw a boat towing some tubes the other day when I was out droning, and about 200 metres from me where the ocean side is, it's as rough as, it's blowing a gale, and yet here it's just perfectly calm. So if you're into water sports, what an awesome place to come. Car park's huge. But people coming, I'll be fishing, people go crabbing here. Just gorgeous. Winston loves it here. He can go out and play with other people, other people's dogs. And just right beside the boat ramp and the beach, it's a beautiful picnic area. Linda's, you can't quite see Linda at the moment, she's over there with Winnie. We've been sitting down, having a coffee, toilets. So yeah, a great place to come and spend the day. Beautiful picnic area, isn't it, honey?
Having a coffee.
Having a coffee. What do you think, Winston? You like Theodolite Creek? So just going through the car park, you can go to the other side and straight through opposite where I am, you can walk through to the ocean side.